Welcome, everyone, to another video on my channel. Today, we're exploring how to record video while playing music. Don't miss this! To start our journey, find your Play Store app and give it a tap to begin. Now, click on the search icon, type Record Video with Music in the search bar and press Enter key. You'll see a list of search results. Find the specific app named Record Video with Music. When you've found Record Video with Music app, just tap on it and hit the Install button. After the installation, tap the Open button located within the Play Store to start the app. The first time you open the app, you'll be asked to grant few permissions on your device. Just tap on Allow. Next, you'll encounter a mandatory pop-up insisting on upgrading to the premium version. Choose from monthly, weekly, or yearly subscription plans, then click on Continue button. Choose your payment method from the available options in the app to complete the payment. After verifying your subscription, navigate to the settings and adjust your preferred resolution and other settings. Now, you're all prepared to record fantastic videos with music. If this tutorial was helpful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for regular updates similar to this. Thank you for your support.